Rob DiFilippi, Bentley Truck Services, Luzerne, Pennsylvania. 2025 Isuzu NPR, 12,000 gross weight truck, 176-inch wheelbase. The truck has a 6.6-liter diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Okay, this truck will haul about 4,000 pounds of payload legally. Okay, on the back of this truck, 91 inches high, it's 96 inches wide, and aluminum ramp, 16-foot aluminum ramp. This ramp is 24 inches wide. In the back there, it's got a step bumper, it's got a hardwood floor, 2 rows of E-track, plywood line, roll-up door, aluminum roof, and lights in the post here, as opposed to the bottom, so they don't get all corroded and everything. Plenty of real estate for you to put your wraps on, anything like that. This truck was specifically built for the bread industry. Okay, bread distributors usually buy this spec. 12,000 gross weight, 20-foot body, 91 inches high with a ramp. Okay? When you go in the cab, just one cute thing I want to show you. These trucks, all the Isuzu trucks now come with a barcode that are very VIN specific. That'll give you all your warranty information and that kind of stuff. Okay? If you have questions about this truck or any other truck, you come see me. Rob DiFilippi, Bentley Truck Services. All those trucks behind me, they all got to go too. So give me a call. Thank you.